Hello students, I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJ DAV School Haripura. Welcome to your maths class. We are discussing our chapter factors and multiple, worksheet number 6. In this first question is find the common factors. Firstly we learn about the factors. Now you have to find the common factors. First part is 10 and 15. You have to write the factors of 10 and 15. Firstly write the factors. Factors are the equal to or smaller to the numbers. Factors of 10 means which number divides the 10? 1, 2, 3 डिवाइड करता है? No. 4 भी नहीं करेगा. 5. Or you can simply write it in the rough work. 1 into 10, 2 into 5. After that, no 3, 4, no. It means that are 10. Similarly, you can write the factors of 15. It means 1 into 15. 2 के टेबल पर 15 नहीं आएगा. On the tables of 3, 15 comes after the 5. 3 into 5, 15. Now on the table of 4 not come, 5 पर already आ चुका है. It means 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors. Now you have to find the common factors. Common factors. 1 is the common factor of all the numbers. 1. Now 5 is the common. Common factors are 1 and 5. Only this part, these parts you have to done. Find the common factors. Next नहीं करने हैं. Next B part है. In the B part, 3 numbers are given: 5, 10 and 25. Firstly write the factors of 5. Factors of 5. 5 is the comes on the table of 1 and 5. And the factors of 10. 10 के factor आपने already यहाँ लिखे हैं. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now factors of 25. 25 किस किस के टेबल पर आता है? 1 की टेबल पर, 5 पर and 25 पर. Now common factors 1 and 5. 5 है ना सभी में? It means 1 is common and 5 is common. Common factors are 1 and 5. And let's see one more part. Last part, F part is 14, 17 and 22. Write the factors of 14. 14 किस किस के टेबल पर आता है? 1 के टेबल पर, 2 के टेबल पर, 3, 4, 5, 6 के टेबल पर नहीं आता है. 2 7 आता है और 1 और 14 होते हैं. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 17. 17 तो किसी भी टेबल पर नहीं आता है. इट मीन्स ओनली 1 एंड 17 इज द फैक्टर. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 22. 22 1 के टेबल पर किस पर आता है? 22 पर. 2 के टेबल पर, 11 पर, और 22 किसी भी टेबल पर नहीं आता. Now common factor are 1 and no, it means common factor is equals to 1. Like this you have to done this first question. Now see the second question. Find the HCF. Second question is find the HCF. F for factors, C for common factor. You find the common factor in the last question. Now what is the meaning of H? H means highest, means highest common factor. Like the last question, firstly find the factors and common factors. See the first part, that is 20 and 30. Firstly write the factors of 20 and 30. Factors of 20. 20 comes on the table of 1, 2, it's not comes on the table of 3, it comes on the table of 4. 4 5s are 2 10s are and 1 20s are. Now factors of 30, that is 1 के टेबल पर 30, 2 के टेबल पर 15 पर, 3 के टेबल पर 10 पर, 4 पर 30 नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल पर आता है, 5 के टेबल पर 6 पर और 6 के टेबल पर 5 पर. These are the factors. Now next step is common factor. Common factors, 1 is common, 2 is common, after that 5 is common, and then 10 is common. Now it means 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the common factors. Now your next step is HCF, highest common factor. 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the common, but which one is the highest? That is the 10. It means your answer is for the highest common factor is 10. Okay. Now see the next one part in which 3 numbers are given. The next one is 12, 16 and 20. Firstly, write the factors of 12. 1, 2, now 3, 4. These are the factors of 12. Now factors of 16. 1, 16, 2, 8 and the next one is 4. 4 4s आता है, then 1. Now write the factors of 20. Last question में लिखें 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Now common factor. Common factors, 1 is common for all and 2 is common. After that 4 is again common. After that no one is common. Now what is the HCF? What is the highest bigger number? That is 4. Okay. Now let's see one more. The last part is I part. 8, 24, 36. Factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 24. 1 के टेबल पर 24 पर, 2 के टेबल पर 12 पर, 3 के टेबल पर 8 पर और 4 के टेबल पर 6 पर, 5 पर आता ही नहीं है. नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36. 1 के टेबल पर 36, 2 के टेबल पर 18 पर, 3 के टेबल पर 12 पर. डिवाइड करके चेक कर लेना आप लोगों ने कितने पर आता है. देन 4 के टेबल पर 9 पर, 5 पर नहीं आता, 6 के टेबल पर 6 पर. इस रिपीटेड हो गया नंबर. These are the factor. Now circle the common. 1, 2, 3 2 में है, इसमें नहीं है. 4 तीनों में है. उसके बाद 8 इधर है, इधर नहीं है. इट मीन्स कॉमन फैक्टर्स 1, 2 and 4. And what is the HCF? Bigger number is 4. It means the 4 is the HCF. Like this you have to complete your whole worksheet number 6.